This sign indicates A side road. B, a crossroad. C, a church zone ahead. And the answer is B, a crossroad. This road sign warns drivers that A, the dirt on the side of the road is soft. B, vehicles must leave the pavement immediately. C, the road surface ahead changes to a low-type surface or earth road. And the answer is C, the road surface ahead changes to a low-type surface or earth road. This sign means A, the right lane will end ahead. B, the highway will be divided ahead. C, less space between lanes ahead. And the answer is A, the right lane will end ahead. This road sign means A, the center lane in both directions of travel will soon turn left. B, the center lane is shared for left turns in both directions of travel. C, vehicles may only travel in the center lane. And the answer is B, the center lane is shared for left turns in both directions of travel. This sign indicates A, divided highway ends. B, merging traffic. C, winding road. And the answer is B, merging traffic. This warning sign A, indicates the suggested highest safe speed. B, provides advance notice to upcoming speed limit change. C, shows the current speed limit that all vehicles traveling in the direction of the arrow must not exceed. And the answer is B, provides advance notice to upcoming speed limit change. The one-way sign means that A, there is only one road that turns left at the intersection. C, only vehicles turning left may travel in the direction of the arrow. And the answer is B, drivers must travel only in the direction of the arrow. This regulatory road sign indicates that A, the right-hand lane is reserved for buses and carpool vehicles. B, vehicles must slow down and stay in the right lane. C, slower vehicles traveling on multiple lane highways must stay in the right lane. And the answer is C, slower vehicles traveling on multiple lane highways must stay in the right lane. What does this sign indicate? A, parallel railroad crossing, side road. B, low ground clearance railroad crossing. C, parallel railroad crossing, crossroad. And the answer is A, parallel railroad crossing, side road. This road sign A, warns drivers that U-turns are not permitted. B, provides an advance notice of a roundabout. C, warns drivers of a sharp turn left. Drivers should slow their speed and keep to the left. And the answer is B, provides an advance notice of a roundabout. The white sign means A, slow down, stop on the railroad tracks and proceed through the crossing if no trains are visible. B, stop at the railroad tracks and wait for a signal before crossing. C, look, listen, and prepare to stop at the crossing, if necessary. And the answer is C, look, listen, and prepare to stop at the crossing, if necessary. This sign means A, no passing zone ahead. B, narrow bridge ahead. Slow down and drive with caution. C, do not enter if your vehicle is taller than the height listed on the sign. And the answer is C, do not enter if your vehicle is taller than the height listed on the sign. This road sign indicates that A, buses and carpools may not travel in the restricted lane. B, a lane is reserved for certain purposes or certain vehicles. C, vehicles cannot go straight ahead and must turn either to the right or left. And the answer is B. A lane is reserved for certain purposes or certain vehicles. This sign tells drivers that A. Left and right turns are not allowed. B. They cannot go straight ahead. C. A divided highway is ahead. And the answer is B. They cannot go straight ahead. This white sign means drivers A. Must wait for the solid green light before they turn left. B. May turn left only on a green arrow. C. May turn left on a green light when it is safe to do so. And the answer is C. May turn left on a green light when it is safe to do so. What does the pictured signal indicate? A. Pedestrians may begin crossing the street. B. Pedestrians may not begin crossing the street. C. Pedestrians may turn right. And the answer is A. Pedestrians may begin crossing the street. This sign warns drivers of A bridge ahead, wide enough to accommodate 2 lanes of traffic, but with very little clearance. B. A reduction of lanes. C. A dip in the road. Drivers should be ready to stop if the dip is filled with water. And the answer is A bridge ahead, wide enough to accommodate 2 lanes of traffic, but with very little clearance. When they see this sign, drivers should A. Increase their speed and keep well to the right. B. Slow down and pass other vehicles before they reach the curve. C. Slow down and not pass other vehicles. And the answer is C. Slow down and not pass other vehicles. The sign in the picture A is used to advise motorists of the maximum safe speed for an exit ramp on a highway. B indicates the minimum ramp speed at the highway exit point. C shows the recommended speed for the exit of an intersection. And the answer is A is used to advise motorists of the maximum safe speed for an exit ramp on a highway. This white sign means don't pass A unless it is safe to do so. B. Other vehicles for any reason. C. Until after you pass the sign. And the answer is B. Other vehicles for any reason. This sign warns of ahead. A. Soft shoulder. B. No passing zone. C. Hill. And the answer is C. Hill. This sign warns drivers that A. There is a winding road ahead. B. There is a double curve ahead. C. They must turn either to the right or left. And the answer is A. There is a winding road ahead. When drivers come to this sign, they must A. Warn other drivers that a stop sign is ahead. B. Brake sharply and come to a complete stop. C. Be ready to stop at the stop sign. And the answer is C. Be ready to stop at the stop sign. The sign in the picture A. Is displayed on the rear of slow-moving vehicles. B. Is found at most intersections and indicates that drivers must yield to other vehicles. C. Is a construction and maintenance traffic control sign. And the answer is A. Is displayed on the rear of slow-moving vehicles. This sign tells drivers A. They must wait for the traffic signal to turn green before turning right or left. B. They may not turn right or left during the red light. C. All of the above. And the answer is C. All of the above. This sign means A. Road slippery when wet. Drive slowly. B. Winding road ahead. Drive with caution. C. The road will curve to the right, then to the left. And the answer is A. Road slippery when wet. Drive slowly. This sign warns drivers that A. They cannot go straight ahead. B. They will soon be facing oncoming traffic. C. A shared lane starts ahead. And the answer is B. They will soon be facing oncoming traffic. A four-way stop sign means A. There are 4 stop signs at the intersection. B. The first vehicle to reach the intersection should move forward first. C. All of the above. And the answer is C. All of the above. What should drivers do when the red lights begin to flash? A. Stop. B. Slow down. C. Yield. And the answer is A. Stop. When you see this sign, you should A. Slow your speed and be prepared to stop. B. Slow down and do not pass other vehicles. C. Increase your speed and try to pass other vehicles. And the answer is B. Slow down and do not pass other vehicles. This sign tells drivers that A. U-turns are not allowed. B. They must make a left turn at the intersection. C. They must not make a right turn. And the answer is C. They must not make a right turn. This regulatory sign tells drivers that A. Traffic in the right lane must go straight. B. All vehicles must turn left immediately. C. Traffic in the left lane must turn left at the intersection ahead. And the answer is C. Traffic in the left lane must turn left at the intersection ahead. What should drivers do when they see this sign? A. Make sure the bridge is clear of oncoming traffic before they cross. B. Look to the left and right for other traffic. C. Allow others to merge smoothly. And the answer is A. Make sure the bridge is clear of oncoming traffic before they cross. This red and white sign means A. The road ahead is closed to traffic in your direction. B. Do not enter the road ahead unless it is safe to do so. C. The road ahead is closed to traffic in all directions. And the answer is A. The road ahead is closed to traffic in your direction. This sign means A. The divided highway ends ahead. B. Reversible lane ahead. C. Drivers are coming to a point where another traffic lane joins the one they are on. And the answer is A. The divided highway ends ahead. This sign means A. Parking is not allowed at 8:30 a.m. and at 5:30 p.m. B. No parking between 8:30 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. C. You can only park between 8:30 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. And the answer is B. No parking between 8:30 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. What should drivers do when they see this road sign? A. Slow down, look for a train, and be prepared to stop. B. Come to a complete stop and wait for a train to cross. C. Look for a human flagger. And the answer is A. Slow down, look for a train, and be prepared to stop. This sign means A. Right turn permitted on green arrow only. B. Right turn only lane. C. Sharp turn to the right. And the answer is C. Sharp turn to the right. This sign indicates the vehicles can safely travel in this area. A. Suggested speed. B. Maximum speed. C. Minimum speed. And the answer is B. Maximum speed. This is A. A side road sign. B. A merging traffic sign. C. A right curve sign. And the answer is A. A side road sign.